So today is going to be a raining day vlog in Shanghai, and we will be checking out the largest Muji flagship store here. They're closing, I know it's sad, but anyways, we're gonna go check it out. But before we go there, we're gonna check out this women's market because it's about to be International Women's Day on March 8th in China. See you then. So let's go. This is today's OOTD. Hey guys. So this market has a lot of small vendors. They're all hosted by women, which is really nice. We're gonna take a look.
On to the next location.
Raining day walking in Shanghai feels quite different. It's quite slippery on the floor, but I want to show you this beautiful festive street ahead. So pretty. I'm just taking you guys around the street and then I'll show you the largest muji shop in Shanghai. The largest muji shop in Shanghai is about to close. Hey guys, right now I'm at the second floor of Muji and I'm just sitting on the couch and relaxing for a bit, and I got all the goods. I kind of like this leather couch. Imagine this is my couch. So comfy.